Hello everyone, in this video we are going to try and put this 16-inch display in a 50.6-inch HP Zbook Studio. Let's see how it goes. So the plan is to Dremel on the top and on the left side, while the right side stays intact because this machine, as many other HP laptops of the last 10 years, has a slight, it's slightly asymmetric. So we're gonna cut on this side and make sure that the cable can move freely. We're gonna rise the camera a tiny bit, and that should be all. Here is the fit after Dremels on this side on the top. Yeah, we went a bit too far here, and the webcam had to be slightly moved just to fit the cable here. This one remained intact while we had to take off this side, and yeah, everything seems to be fitting perfectly well. Cutting the plastic is probably the hardest part in the end, because that's where you need to be precise and you will find the cosmetic damage. And here is the final result. Well, I still have to tape it on the sides, glue it or tape it, we'll see, but that's how it looks. Also some thermals. We're getting 70 degrees at 30 watts with no fans. Yeah, we're running Cinebench R15 on macOS. So yeah, as you can see, the writing is here. You can pretty much tell from here how much we get from this kind of work. Of course, I wouldn't do it if the screen is working, but if your screen is broken and you have some time to spare and you like to tinker with things, I would definitely go for it. I like the bigger screen. And that's all for the video. Ciao!